Seagoing Ebullience ready for action. Preparing to torch the Galley. Revelers by Night. You're never too old to be a Viking or to watch it burn. Torch-lined streets light the way. A very rich burning-looking crowd procession. Ye must burn the Longship before ye party. When in Mexico, do as the Vikings do. A torch-lit march of ancient warriors. Seriously, burn the Longship before Revelry can begin.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.